everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Harjeet and we are Softrix, a Google Premium partner providing SEO, PPC, SMM and web development services for clients worldwide. With over 15 years of experience, we are here to help you succeed online. If you need any of our services, please contact us through the provided contact number or visit our website. Now, let's shed some light on the background of the client. Our client, a textile brand, approached us after struggling to see significant results from their Google Ads campaign. They heard about our expertise through a recommendation from another satisfied client and decided to partner with us to enhance their digital advertising efforts. Let's have a look at the client's background. This case study focuses on the challenges faced by the textile brand in their Google Ads campaign and how they successfully resolved them to achieve remarkable results. By strategically targeting their ads and focusing on specific areas, the brand generated $56,000 in monthly revenue with a ROAS of around 14.6. Let's have an introduction to the niche. The textile brand specializes in producing high-quality fabrics and textiles for various applications, including apparel, home furnishing, and industrial use. Operating in a competitive market, the brand aimed to increase brand visibility, attract customers, and drive revenue. Now, let's have a look at the challenges faced. Every campaign faces challenges, and this one was no different. Here's how we tackle the key challenges. Choosing the right area of focus. Catering to a wide range of textile products and applications requires a strategic approach and careful consideration of market segments and niches. Creating targeted ads. Reaching the right customers and avoiding wasted ad spend on irrelevant clicks and impressions. Identifying the most effective targeting options to reach the brand's target audience. Campaign strategy. Now, let's see how we used campaign strategies to improve our client's business. Market segmentation. We conducted market research to identify specific segments within the textile industry such as apparel designers, interior decorators, and industrial manufacturers. Developed tailored ad campaigns and messaging for each market segment to address their unique needs and pain points. Ad copy customization. Created highly targeted ad copies that emphasize the specific benefits and applications of the brand's textile for each market segment. Highlighted unique selling points such as durability, sustainability, or design versatility to differentiate the brand from competitors. Display network advertising. Leverage the Google Display Network to showcase visually appealing ads featuring the brand's textile in various applications. Utilizing targeting options based on demographics, interest, and behavior to reach the desired audience within the textile industry. A/B testing. Conducted A/B testing on different ad creatives, headlines, and calls to action to determine the most effective combinations. Use the insights from A/B testing to refine and optimize our campaigns continuously. Set up Microsoft Clarity for website. Implemented Microsoft Clarity to gain deeper insights into the user behavior on the website. Utilize data from Clarity to improve user experience and enhance conversion rates. Conversion tracking and optimization. Implemented conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of the campaigns and identify areas for optimization. Utilize data from conversion tracking to optimize bids, keywords, and ad placements to maximize conversions and improve return on investment. Campaign tested. We tested multiple campaign types including search, display, and shopping ads to determine the best performing formats. This comprehensive testing allowed us to allocate the budget effectively and focus on the high converting ads. Results and performance. Through the strategic implementation of the Google Ads campaign, the textile brand we achieved impressive results. By thoroughly reviewing the data and performance of the account and implementing deep optimizations, we achieved impressive results. A revenue generation of $56,000 with a ROAS of 14.6. The client is extremely satisfied with these outcomes and is now considering expanding their advertising efforts with us on Facebook and other ad platforms to drive even more sales. This Google Ads case study for the textile industry demonstrates the power of a well-executed digital marketing strategy. By setting clear objectives, leveraging diverse campaign types, and employing effective targeting and bidding strategies, businesses can significantly boost their online presence, drive traffic, and increase sales. If you are looking to achieve similar success with your Google Ads campaigns, consider adopting these proven strategies to elevate your marketing efforts. If you have PPC ads running in the similar niche, reach out to us for a free audit via the WhatsApp number given on the top right. If you don't have PPC ads running yet, Contact us with your website URL, monthly budget, and location targeting for a tailored proposal. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more success stories and insights. Thank you for watching.